Hello everybody. So I am going to start with this first video of Java programming, in which we will be talking about the structure of a basic Java program. So let us start with the basic structure of Java program. So I have written a code here. So first of all, the first line is declaration of a class. So whenever you have to declare a class, there are certain things which are optional, certain things which are compulsory. So let us understand each and everything from the basics. So first of all, what is this public? This public is a keyword. So first of all, we will understand what is keyword, right? So keyword is something that we are going to talk in detail in the separate video. So we have to understand that there are total of 50 keywords in Java. So right now you can understand that every keyword is a predefined word which is having its own meaning, and you cannot use those words for some other reasons. So public is a keyword. Similarly, class is another keyword. Class is a keyword which is used to declare a class. Public is a keyword which is used to declare the accessibility of any particular member of your class or a class. Then third thing is, here I have taken some name. So in case of programming, if you take any name, so that name is called as identifier. Identifier means the name by which we identify anything. So you can create some class, you want to give some name to that particular class, so that name is the identifier. Similarly, if you are creating some function which is called as method in Java, so that method will also have some name, that is also a identifier. Similarly, you can create some data members, some constants, so there also you need to create some identifier, because identifier will be something through which you will be accessing and manipulating the things, right? Everybody in the real life also, you have some identifier, the name through which you are identified. So this is identifier. You can choose any identifier here. I can take ABC, I can take XYZ, I can take my first Java program, it can be anything. So identifier will be discussed in a separate video, where we will be talking about certain rules which are supposed to be followed while declaring certain identifiers, right? So next, inside any class, in case of Java, we have to write a main function. So in the main function, it is slightly different, and at a beginner level you will feel it is a slightly complex syntax for writing the main function. So we have taken the main function here. Again, we will have to understand every component of this signature and header of main function. So first thing, again we will see here public. So public, this public and this public are same. This is again access modifier. It is a keyword in Java. Then second is static. Static is again a keyword in Java. This is a keyword which is defined in Java to access the members without the creation of object. So we will again discuss static keyword in a separate video, because there are so many things that we are going to take care in case of static. So public is a keyword, static is also a keyword. Then the third one is void. Void is also a keyword in case of Java. So what is void? Void is acting as a return type here, right? So it is similar to the C and C++ programming languages, where we are writing void. Void means a return type which does not return any value. So you can say that is no return here. So void is a keyword. Then the fourth thing here is main. So similar to the class name, this main is the name of your function, right? So this is again an identifier. So this is how this main function contains this name of the function, its return type, and two keywords which define the property of a function. Public defines the accessibility static provides some feature to this function. So, we will discuss in detail in the upcoming videos. Then the most important thing here, in the main function we are passing the string array. In the traditional literature articles you might have seen it is string array args or string array arg. So, again this is a string array, means the array of string type and its identifier. This x is an identifier, so it can be anything, it may be args, it may be arg, it may be x, it may be abc, anything. So, this is just an identifier. Once again this is an identifier. So, you can write anything here. I can write here string array rk, you can write abc, xyz, anything, but this is string array. So, what is string here? In case of Java, string is a class. So, in case of Java, string is a class. So, it means in the main function in Java, we pass the array of objects of string type. Why this string array argument is passed, we will discuss in a separate video. So, I hope you understood the different components of the main function and the class declaration, right. Primarily we have discussed certain keywords like public, class, void, static. Then we talked about the identifier, how to create certain names. Then we have discussed the string as a class, and we talked about this array as an argument in the main function. So, that is all about this video. Thank you.